We're heading to Auspos right now because Carlo and Sean got me a bag. Here's Carlo. And we're so excited. I'm so excited to get to see the bag, man. It's a Provoke 21 photo bundle. So yeah, we're heading there now. It's really cold right now in North. Yeah, really cold. Oops, set it to full frame mode and there's some vignette around it, but still fine. Don't care. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, it's cold and we're trying to get my Provoke bag. And I'm trying to vlog in the streets right now. That way Carlo would feel embarrassed to be with me now. Are you embarrassed?
Nah.
Damn it. Okay. Let's go to Auspos now. So apparently we were unboxing and it didn't record. Anyway, I got the Provoke bag. Thank you to Sean and Carlo. And yeah, I'll be doing a review in the next few days for this bag. Awesome. Yeah. By the way, we're in Auspos right now and we're unboxing this bag. Carlo already has it on. I think I had my audio dialed too low earlier, so I might boost it in post, but yeah. So I got my Provoke 21 photo bundle, thanks to Sean and Carlo. And yeah, it's kind of cold today in Melbourne. I have no vlog for today. Oh, it's closed. That should be the pathway. So I have no vlog for today. I'm just gonna upload an old throwback vlog. Maybe put up my first vlogs, which was a Tassie trip vlog. And yeah, I'll go from there. Hey guys, I have a microphone in front of me right now, and it looks like I'm gonna sing or something like jam, but no, I just like this microphone here because the thing is, it doesn't echo that much. This room is not sound dampened. There's no acoustic walls or acoustic whatever. Anyway, yeah, there's a lot of echo in this room here because I didn't put in any dampening, and if I use my shotgun mic, it's gonna create an echo. If I'm gonna use my lavalier mic, it's gonna create an echo. I tried the NTG2, it still has an echo, but this microphone here, it's perfect. So I'm using this one here, even though it looks, I don't have a microphone stand, so I'm using this light stand here. Yeah. Anyway, back to my main topic. Just received this from Carlo and Sean. Thank you very much for that one. This is the Provoke 21 photography bundle bag. At first, I find this bag a bit weird, and I'm not really impressed because look at the top part. Like this looks like a handbag or something. But upon close examination, the bag is cool. It's comfortable. I didn't expect it to be that comfortable. The top part is like a smooth ballistic, I forgot the name, but yeah, you can see, you can search for a lot of things about this bag in YouTube, and you can go to Google and look for it there. But the thing is, yeah, what I'm going to discuss about this bag here is my first impressions and what I like, and what I find interesting in this bag. First of all, I like the back part because the thing is, it's going to fit my 15-inch laptop without any problem. Yeah, it's for daily carry. It's gonna fit the 15-inch laptop here, and it can house a camera. And there's a quick access on the side for the camera. Anyway, again, you can see a lot of discussions about this on YouTube, but I'm gonna stick to what I found interesting. First of all, the top part here, the roll top, this part here, I find it interesting because at first I think it was like gimmicky and just like, should look good because it's new or something like that. But when I check its functionality, it's really functional. You could put a lot of stuff on top of here, like a jacket, a coat, dirty laundry or something. Anyway, yeah, you can put a lot of things on top here and roll it. And yeah, there's a lot of space, a lot of stuff you can chuck into it. That's really cool. And this one here, I'm not really a fan of thick straps for a backpack, but for this bag, it's really comfortable. Like I like straps wherein you can hold it around. Like this one here looks like you can see it's too big. Find it funny, but when I tried it on, the bag's really comfortable. The back part is really soft, and yeah, I'm impressed. I'm excited to use this bag here, and I thought this bag is very big. Like it's like, I like small bags, small compact bags. I bring big bags though, but for travel, for everyday carry, I like the small bags. But this one here, I'm gonna put in my bag. That's my stomach. Yeah, check it out. Like it's just the right fit. It's really comfortable. So yeah. Okay. So lots of pockets. Pocket here, pocket there. Yeah. Yep. That's it. I'm not gonna discuss in depth of this bag because actually I don't know anything about it yet that much, but just seen it online. I haven't used it that much. But first impressions, it's comfortable. It's not that big. It's good. Anyway, my camera's tilted a bit, so I don't want to do a take two. So I'm just gonna edit this and set it out. So yeah, this bag's cool. You should try it. Try to get one. Yep. Oh yeah, the back opening. I forgot to show you. This part here at the back of the bag, you can open it and yeah, put some stuffs at the back of the bag. In here, there's a compartment wherein you can put your camera and you can access it on the side. No, the other side. You can access your camera here, and yeah, you can put a drone, put a camera like the A7 III there. It's good. This one here is a pocket that you can access the top module or top compartment. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it.